Are you seeing this big pot? Can you guess what it's used for? Believe it or not, this pot is for stewing lamb. Today I have come to Huanxian County of Qingyang to try a very spectacular dish, Huanxian big pot lamb. 师傅，这锅羊肉什么时候才能入手？
咱们这锅羊肉再加入我们当地特产的中草药，大火烧开，小火慢炖2个小时，就可以享受一锅美味的羊锅肉了。
It's now time to enjoy this delicious lamb. The people of Huanxian have an unmatched love for lamb. They found countless ways to turn lamb into various dishes, incorporating into every meal of the day. Huanxian big pot lamb is very delicious, but not only delicious, it reflects the locals' love for life and their passion for good food.